Hello, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Am I
Good
audible
evening.
to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. I hope everyone is there. Someone is.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello. Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yeah, yes, sir. I can hear you.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, I think now you can hear me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So you can start. I have already given the access to you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, hello, everyone. Good evening. I hope everyone is in.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Suchitra, hi Mahindra, hi Kartik, hi Smell, hi Amiya.
Good
I
evening,
hope
ma'am.
everyone is in. Pawan is not there. Fine, you all guys have done with the homework?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Suchitra and Kartik has given on WhatsApp group, right? What about others? Amaya, can you read your homework?
Yes, ma'am. My alarm sounds at 5:30 a.m. I wake up
Sorry,
at 6 a.m.
I can't hear you.
My alarm sounds at 5:30 a.m. I wake up
Mm-hmm.
at 6 a.m. I wash my
Mm-hmm.
face, I brush my teeth, I take my regular hot water shower, I have my
Mm-hmm.
breakfast, I go to tuition on foot at 7:30 a.m. I come from
Mm-hmm.
tuition at 9:30 a.m. I go to
Mm-hmm.
temple, I have my first meal.
Great. Who left? Mahindra? Mahindra? Okay. Ismail, can you hear me? No response.
Yes, mom.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
I'm sorry, my homework was deleted, mom. Actually, I have done
Mm-hmm.
my
Mm-hmm.
homework, but
Mm-hmm.
I write in the Word document.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I can
Okay, you
share
can send it
my
me
homework.
today. It's okay. Send it me after the class. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So can we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we will learn. Okay. I hope everyone can see my board,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I want to make
Yes,
sure you can see what I am writing.
we can
Wait.
see fully.
Yeah. Now we learned about the basic verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next, we'll learn about. Yeah. So we will today we will learn about the same verb. We use verb in. I mean, like we use a we put s in end of the verb. Like as Amaya said, my alarm sounds. So we
Yes.
use s at the end of the verb. Plays, reads. So we have to know when should use the word read and when we should use the word reads. there is difference. We cannot say that I reads book. That is wrong. Okay. He read book. That is also wrong. So we have to find what is the right position to use this verb.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope I'm clear.
Yes.
We have to understand where we should use the normal verb and where we have to use the
Verbs with S and
letter
S.
S behind the verb.
Okay.
For example, we normally say reads or writes. So what is the difference? Why we are not using read or write when we have to use this and when we have to use this and when we have to use this? This is the difference will learn today.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So for the verb do, where there is no S ending, and for the word does, where the verb ends with S, we'll write the difference. If the sentence start with, when the sentence start with I, we use verb which does not have S. Okay. You, they, we, and my friends. For example, I write book. You write book. They write book. We write book. My friends write book. Okay?
Okay.
So we will not use I writes book or you writes book or you reads book. Hope I'm clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And on the next part, when the sentence start with he, she,
It.
everybody, my friend, or any of your friend name. For example, Harry. For these words, we will use like he reads, she reads, everybody reads, my friend reads, Harry reads,
Okay.
Rakhi writes, or Rakhi teach. Okay.
Okay.
So here is this is the major difference. So I want everyone to write this down.
Yes, ma'am. We have done it.
I'll share on the screen. Wait. So you can write this. I hope everyone is writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, writing.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Once done, let me know.
We have done it, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll see some examples how to use these words with the sentences. When to use S, when we not use yes. This is not singular or plural. I'm not teaching about singular or plural, okay?
Okay.
Someone has joined. Hi Rakshita. Hi Pavan. Hi Mahendra.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So you are new to this session.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just brief you what I was teaching. So you understand verb, right? Everyone, Mahendra, and who all joined? Pavan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we all know what is verb and how to use that. I gave you homework. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. We'll not now discuss about that. Okay. We have, see, I'll repeat it again. We used to say some verbs like reads, read. You know the difference why we use S and why we not use yes, when to use this and when not to use this. Write, writes, write. You know the difference? When we should use S and when we should leave it blank. This is not singular plural, okay? I'm not talking about singular plural. Okay?
Okay.
So, as you can see my screen, wait, I will write it again. Rakshita, you can write it down what I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here I'm showing the difference when to use the word, when a sentence starts, when to use the word, a verb ending with S and when not to use. Okay. When the sentence starts with I, you, they, we, my friends. Okay. When we start sentences with these, so you should use I write. We will not say I writes or I reads. Okay. You read, not reads. They read. We read. My friend reads. My friends read. Okay. And next slide, in the next slide, we can see when the sentence starts with he, she, everybody, my friend, okay, and any person's name. Here we use the verb ending with s, like he writes book, she writes book, everybody writes book, my friend writes book, Harry or any person's name writes book. Okay, this is the major difference you have to understand. Okay, Pavan, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ismail, you understood? Karthik?
Yes, got it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Someone else is getting in. Okay, here are some examples. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can see the examples. I play cricket. He plays cricket. Okay. They read books. She reads books or book. We go to office. Harry goes to office. We casually, when we speak to someone else, we goes to office. I goes to office. We normally say that. It's not intentionally we say that. By mistake we say that. That's wrong. Okay. We go to office. Harry goes to office. My friends call me. My best friend calls me. They support us. He or she supports us. We come there. Harry comes there. Okay, now you understood the
Yes, ma'am.
difference?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write down the examples, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, once done, let me know. Till that time, hi, there's a new person, Chituri, Naveen. Hi, Naveen.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. We were just discussing about some basic verbs where we have to use, in verb we use S at the end. So when we have to use that, when we should not use that, that I was teaching. So you came in between, so I'll explain you again. You can see the board. You can see the difference. When we start the sentences with I, you, they, we, my friends, we'll use normal verb. As example, I have given I play, they read, we go, my friends call me. Okay, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when the sentence starts with he, she, everybody, my friend Harry, we should say like he plays cricket, she plays cricket, everybody plays cricket, my friend plays cricket, Harry plays cricket. Sometimes we say he play cricket or he go to office. So that is not proper way to present yourself. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We have done it,
Fine.
ma'am.
You can take down this, and you can take down the examples also. Once done, let me know.
Yes, we have done it.
Done,
Done, ma'am. Done.
everyone?
Yeah, done it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I'll stop sharing the screen. Yeah. Can everyone, those who are possible, can on the video so that we can have contact properly? I mean, I'm teaching to the computer only. I'm feeling like that. Those who are comfortable, they can please switch on their cameras. Yeah, hi Suchitra. I feel more happy when I see you all face. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So I need examples from you guys. I'll write it down. Each one should say a verb with both. Okay. The single, without S and S. So do I need to keep this or should I rub it out
Rub it out, ma'am.
for your reference? Fine, I'll rub it out. So who will start with the examples? Suchitra?
Give me some 5-10 minutes, ma'am. I will
Sure.
here again.
Okay. Amaya, can you?
Ma'am.
Let Suchitra take 5 minutes.
My father writes
Ma'am.
articles.
I can't hear you.
My father writes articles.
My father reads article or writes
Right.
article.
Writes articles.
So tell me your father's name.
Abhimanyu.
Okay, so Mr. I'll write A. Okay?
Okay.
Writes article. What about here? In this session? Or in this column?
Write article.
I write article.
Good. Who helped in between? Good. Okay. Amay, unmute yourself. Suchitra, are you ready? Okay, no problem. Take your time. Karthik?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
they fight with me.
I can't hear you. Sorry.
They fight with me.
They fight with me.
Yes, ma'am.
So not here. They
Fight
fight
with me.
with me. And here,
He fights with me.
he.
He fights with me. He fights with me.
Good. He fights with me. Got the difference, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Naveen, you
can I
want to
go?
try?
Yes, ma'am.
Suchitra, yeah, go on. Go ahead, Suchitra.
Yeah. We play tennis.
We
Play tennis.
Uh-huh.
My friend plays tennis.
Uh-huh.
My friend plays tennis.
Yeah, I'll write dot dot dot.
Okay.
Okay, got the difference, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understood the difference.
Yeah.
So now you are realizing when we speak, it would, so I was speaking wrong. We get to realize now. Okay, well, that's fine. So, never the late. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Uh-oh. Okay, Naveen, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. I play cricket very well.
I play cricket. Okay,
Naveen plays cricket very well.
good.
You know, I think do is first person and does is third person.
Naveen plays
Cricket
cricket.
very well.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan.
My sister went outside. Does-
Went would be a past tense. Here we are not using any past tense or anything. Normal. Okay, tell me your sister's name.
Suchitra.
Oh, wow. Okay, so Miss S go to market. Sorry, goes to market. Okay, and here,
Go to market.
yeah, goes to market. Sorry, I missed that. Miss S goes to market. And what about I
Go.
go to market? Fine. Ismail, you got it? Ismail?
You drink a coffee.
you drink a coffee. Yeah.
Then she loves reading.
She loves reading. Okay. Fine. I hope everyone got the difference.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, I lost one person. She's not there. Oh, she is not. She's
I
left.
think she has a problem of internet.
Okay, someone else have joined Sir Lavi Devi. Okay, fine. Fine. Hi, Lavi. Sorry, I don't know your Devi. Maybe connection problem. So last class we had a we had discussed about two verbs. So today also we have to learn about two verbs. Then we will have a group discussion. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes,
What
yes.
happened to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys are not done with your tea or coffee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will learn about the verb. Let me share the screen. Can everyone see my? Can everyone see? So we learned about accept and accuse. Today we will learn about achieve and acknowledge. Okay.
Okay.
So achieve.
Okay.
What is the meaning of achieve? Successfully bring about or reach. So you guys have some target. So you have to achieve that. Your main aim is to learn English. So
Okay.
you are achieving it. You're not achieved it. So you are achieving. You're trying for that. Become successful. Achieve. The meaning of achieve is you have to be successful on that.
Okay.
So once you complete the course, I have achieved. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So Naveen, read the meaning of achieve.
Successfully bring about or reach a desired objective or result by effort, skill, or courage.
Good. Okay.
Journey.
Okay. So you understood the meaning. Now you have to create a sentence. Mahindra, you're not there online? No.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah. Okay. So make a sentence with the word achieve or achieved, not as per my file sentence. I want you to make a sentence. Hello.
We should achieve something by taking time.
We should achieve something. Okay, we should achieve something by taking time. Okay, fine, fine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not. We should achieve something. Achieve. We have to. When we have a aim, we go for the achievement, right? We go behind that.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should not achieve something. Use some word out of it. I have to achieve this or anything. I have to complete your course or something like that. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now acknowledge. Acknowledge means accept the truth. Okay. I have to acknowledge that I can't reduce my weight. Okay. I
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
acknowledge that. I have to accept that. I can't reduce my weight. Understood? Understood the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, acknowledge means acceptance. Accept the truth. So who will read the meaning?
May I?
Yeah.
She acknowledged receiving assistance.
Oh, that was a sentence. Meaning
Okay, you
accept
are going
or
to make
admit.
me?
No, I was actually asking you to
Accept
read the
or
meaning.
okay. Okay, sorry. Accept
That's okay.
or admit the existence or truth of.
Yeah, now you can create a sentence.
I acknowledge her hard work.
Good, great, fine. Can we have a group discussion today? Last class we had a reading session. Today we'll have a group discussion
Okay.
on topic why English language is important. If you guys
Okay.
need 5 minutes, you can write down the points, whatever you want.
Okay.
Fine, we will have a debate session. How many people are there? Suchitra, Ameya, Ismail, Karthik, Pawan, Naveen, Mahendra. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Okay. Fine. We will make a 3 and 4 group. One should say the good things about English language, why we need it. Why other group should say why we need English language. That's just a language. We need not have to learn it. Okay, I need both. So Suchitra, Ammaya and Ismail, one group. Karthik,
Okay.
Pawan, Naveen and Mahendra, one group.
Okay.
So Suchitra, Ammaya and Ismail would say advantages of English language. Others, Karthik, Pawan, Naveen and Mahendra would say the opposite of it. Fine, understood? Karthik,
Okay.
Pawan,
Okay. Got it.
Naveen, Mahendra,
Yes, ma'am.
Ismail. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So think about the sentences, write it down if you want. Then we'll have the debate. Done, guys?
Yeah.
Can we start
Yeah.
the hot topic?
Yeah.
Sorry. So let's start with the advantages. Amaya, you can start.
Okay.
Let me see who scores well. Wait. Let me write the scoring board. Let's see which team wins. Start with Amaya.
Ma'am, I can tell two main advantages of.
Only one by one. Everyone should get chance. One by one.
Okay.
Hmm.
First of all, when we learn English, we will become more confident while public communication.
So you should say, when we learn English, we get confident while talking to people, or you can say while communicating to the people.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Communicating to people.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Suchitra. Okay, 1
Yeah.
point. Amaya, 1 point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Suchitra.
Yeah. Nowadays, English language is a globally language. So it's very important to speak, read, and write.
Okay, so it should be English language is a global language. It is accepted worldwide.
Yeah.
So it is very important to learn English language.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
not globally, global.
Okay.
It's a global language.
Okay. Yeah.
So where is the negative team? Disadvantages, Karthik.
Everybody today is learning English and all private schools essential the English language, but we are just hiding our profile from world.
Okay, can you read it once again?
Everybody today is learning English and all private schools essential the English in the school, but we are just hiding our profile from the world.
Okay, it should be today everyone is learning. Okay. Today everyone is learning English, and also it is taught in the private schools. But what was the next one? But we are hiding our.
We are just hiding our profile from world.
Okay, we are just hiding our profile. Okay, fine. Karthik done. Next, Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think use of native languages decreases.
I can't hear you, dear.
Use of native languages decreases.
Mm-hmm.
Gradually, people gives importance to English and they totally
Okay,
forgot the native ones.
Okay, it should be like gradually, because of this English language, we are forgetting our mother tongue or the native language that we used to use previously. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, next, positive. Ismail is in team A1, right? Ismail.
Yes.
Yeah.
We should learn English because if we can speak English fluently, we can get a better job in the future. Maybe that.
Okay. Okay. So fine. It should be like when we are learning English languages, it gives us opportunity for job. Okay. Job, or it says like job opportunities. We get more job opportunities. Okay.
Yes, job opportunity, ma'am.
Yeah. So Pawan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
The growth of education was not informed at all levels. I mean, English. The growth of English is not not. The growth of English is not uniform.
Okay, so you want to say in India the growth of English language is not good. Good.
Yes.
If you want to say.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Good point. And who left? Everyone done? Mahindra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any points you have?
Negative, ma'am.
Yeah, negative. Tell me.
In Germany, to study, we can't study with English. We should learn the Germany language.
Okay, okay, understood. Means you says that in Germany people use their language. There is no English used much, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So positive team, advantages team. Any other point?
I think
I
all
have a
points are
point.
covered.
All points are covered. Amaya, you have one more point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
We can confidently fill up any official application form.
We can fill any.
We can confidently fill up any official application form.
Okay, we can completely fill any official form
Confidently.
confidently.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, not bad. Negative. Negative team.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Pawan.
Tell me.
English was only the medium. Common people did not benefit from it. English medium is not.
Actually, I did not understand what it. Come again.
English was only medium of instructions. Common people does not have benefit
Okay, you mean
for
to
it.
say common people does not afford to teach their students in,
But
I mean, teach their kids in English medium.
does not benefit. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Not bad. Good job. So team 1, team 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points in team 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 points in advantage is only 4 points. Come on, Ismail, come on. There are lots and lots of advantages.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, disadvantage.
Disadvantages. This is only disadvantages of English language. Tell me.
This is not truth that without English we cannot do development.
That is advantages or disadvantages?
Advantage.
I think it's a advantage.
Disadvantage. Ma'am, without
Without
English
English language,
we cannot do development.
without English
This is not
language, we
truth.
cannot do development. That is a positive thing, no? That is a positive point.
No,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it's a positive.
This is not a truth that without English we
So yes, you are
cannot
telling
do
for
a
development,
development.
if we don't have English, so we are not going to get developed. You want to say like that? My understanding was like that. I'm not sure what you people have heard. Karthik, you speak, you talk clearly. Maybe the network issue.
Man, no, I am wrong. Sorry.
Tell me, I'll help you out. Tell me what you want to say. Tell me.
No, sorry.
Can I add one more advantage? Because of English language, one will get a good opportunity in abroad for good
Job
job.
opportunity. Yeah, someone has said that.
No,
And then-
it was
Job
first time, I
opportunity,
think.
someone has said. I'm not sure who. Amaya has told, I guess. Or Ismail has told. I don't remember who has said, but told. Job opportunity has been done. Okay, what else? What else? Only this much positive for English language. Oh God. And I'm such a fail.
It is the language of computers. It is the language of business across the globe.
Accepted across the globe is done. Go sentence. So team 1, Suchitra, Amaya, and Ismail. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Oh, advantages have only 4 points. I'm so upset. For
Ma'am, add 1
disadvantages,
point,
1,
ma'am.
2,
I
3,
said
4.
no.
Huh?
Add 1 point, ma'am. I said no. I take 2 mediums, team 1 and team 2.
No, only one
Both,
team.
both.
No cheating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for disadvantages. Oh God.
One more. Can I take chance?
Yeah, tell.
For higher studies, it will be very useful.
For
Higher
higher
studies like
studies, it
aviation,
is very
medical,
useful.
engineering. Yeah.
Fine. We can accept. Yeah, 5 to 5. It's a tie. Fine.
Ma'am,
Good job, guys.
disadvantage?
Good job. Good job. So now you understood how to create sentence spontaneously. I know it's not easy for you guys now, but still. So I'll give you a task. I'll give one small reading session on WhatsApp. I want everyone to read that article. It's a very small article, okay? Read that, record it, and send it on WhatsApp. It's fine if you read wrong. It's fine. It's fine. No one is going to tease you.
Okay, ma'am.
Never ever you should be shy.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Fine.
Anything you have to discuss, you can. We have 4 minutes. Anything I need to share, you guys need to tell me ki, ma'am, no, you don't need to do this, you don't need to do that. Anything is my way.
Can you show that screen again? That words.
Sorry guys.
Let's get that achieve words, the meaning of achieve, accuse. Can you show that screen
Fine.
again? So I will
I'll
write down.
I'll share. 1 minute. I just closed it. 1 minute. Let me share. You can write it down. Done, guys? Any other doubts?
Just wait, huh?
Yeah. Just remind me to give the article. I'll give an article. You just record it and send it to me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Maya, you're free, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me your self-introduction.
I am Amir Kumar Sahu. I am from Odisha. I'm 21 years old. I'm a graduate in physics at Berhampur University, Odisha. My family is middle class family. I have a brother. I have a father, mother, and 2 elder brothers.
That's okay. You tell me how much you remember. You need not have to refer all the time. You cannot refer your self-introduction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. Done.
There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is a local businessman, and my mother is an Anganwadi worker. My hobbies are cricket and art.
And
Digital art.
Oh, okay, fine, great. Okay, better. So now you understood how to give a self-introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when you go to an interview, go for an interview and you cannot read the self-introduction. So you have to be prepared yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Who all are there? Ismail?
Okay. My name's Ahmad Ismail.
Yeah.
I'm from Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 19 years old
Mm-hmm.
and I am a student at university. I'm
Mm-hmm.
single.
I am
My
single. Not
family
I
is
am
a
a
joint
single.
family.
I am single.
I am single.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, um, there are 5 members in my family, including
Mm-hmm.
me.
Mm-hmm.
I have two
Mm-hmm.
elder sisters. All of them are housewife, and my hobby is listening to music, and that's all,
Okay.
mom.
Yeah. Fine. Great. Good job. Naveen, I think you're new, right? So can you give me a
Yes, ma'am.
self-introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, guys. I'm Naveen. I'm
Mm-hmm.
studied at Cambridge Institute of Technology in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I am at first year.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I am very interesting on flirting.
For interesting in
Flirting, ma'am. Flirting.
flirting.
Yes, ma'am. I love healthy
Wow.
flirting, ma'am. Not anymore.
Great.
Healthy flirting.
Great. Mm-hmm.
That's it, ma'am.
Okay, Naveen. Naveen, you just stay for 5 minutes. I'll show you how the self-introduction is given. Just stay for 5 minutes, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday you were, yesterday you were not there. Previous class you were not there. So I'll teach you how to give a self-introduction. Suchitra, I'm sorry. Have you done that? Have you done that work?
Yeah, I have finished.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've just had a. Okay. So if you guys want to stay, you can stay. I'm just teaching Naveen. If you want to leave, you can leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
Naveen,
Bye-bye.
so Naveen, when we give a self-introduction, there is any, I'm not saying any proper method. There is a standard method how to give your self-introduction. We cannot put your tail and first you say tail, then you say head, then you say the middle part. And you are saying it should be head, body part, and tail. Okay. So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you're
I know.
giving your self-introduction, I have some questions and also I have some answers. If you want to question someone, you can ask like this. If you want to answer to that question, you can go ahead like this. Like you can see my screen. It's like, my name is Rakhi. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 30 years old. I'm working as an accountant at so-and-so company, XYZ company. Okay, I'm graduate in commerce from Mumbai University. Yes, I'm married. My family is a joint family, or my family is a middle class family. Whichever you want, you can say that. There are 4 members in my family, including me. I have a father, mother. I don't have any siblings. So just for your reference, I'm saying I have a father, mother, brother or sister. No, I don't have a brother. Whatever it's your choice, whatever you can say. Okay. What are your hobbies? My hobby is reading. If you have more than one hobby, you can say my hobbies are reading and listening to music. Or reading, my hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Okay, I want to become a teacher. I'm giving you just a brief way. Okay, if you want, you can take it down. This is how I prefer to say my self-introduction, so that I cover everything about me, about my family, about my passion. About my hobbies, about my passion, everything. Everything is covered. Okay? Okay, Naveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can take it down, or you have, if you don't have time now, you can refer the link which sir has given. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. If you want, I'll keep it, or if you don't want, you want to refer the video, you can go back and I will exit the class. we can exit. I mean, we can end for the day.
I stay, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah, you can take it down. No problem.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Carry on.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone enjoyed today's session. No response. No one is responding.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Amaya, you should concentrate on your pronunciation. When you say when you want to say sure, it becomes sir. Okay, so you
Amen.
should concentrate on that.
Okay. Okay.
I understand. Even I have friends, so it's nothing. I mean, it's not I'm insulting you or anything. Please don't feel bad on that.
No,
Okay,
ma'am. No.
I'm just
No.
making you understand. Maybe
Okay.
sometimes the word meaning changes because of that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pronunciation. Okay.
Okay.
I'm giving an
Pronunciation.
example. Pronunciation. Sure. It's just sure.
Pronunciation.
Yeah, you are saying pronunciation. No, pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Understood what I'm making you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The sure part. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Karthik.
I want to tell something.
Yeah, tell me.
You teaches very well English.
Sorry.
You teaches very well.
Why you? No.
You
He said,
teaches very well. I enjoy the class.
Oh, okay. Okay. I took class very well. Okay. Thank you so much. Naveen, done?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a small format of how to say your self-introduction. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Done. So I can stop sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then see you on tomorrow.
Okay.
Don't forget the reading part.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
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 Hello, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.